How to fix Microsoft Store error 0x80244007. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Microsoft Store error 0x80244007 on your Windows PC. So if your store isn't opening or showing that annoying error code, just follow along step by step to get it working again. Alright, let's dive in. First, go to your Windows search bar and type Run, then open it. Now, inside the Run box, type wsreset.exe, that's wsreset.exe, and click OK. Once you do that, a command prompt window will pop up for a few seconds. Just wait, don't close it. After a short moment, the Microsoft Store will automatically open. This process clears and refreshes the store's cache, which usually fixes the 0x80244007 error for most people. Now check if your Microsoft Store is working properly. If it is, great, you're all set. But if you're still seeing the same error, here's another simple fix you can try. If you've been signing in to the Microsoft Store using Windows Hello, like your fingerprint, Face ID, or PIN, try signing out and logging back in with your Microsoft account password instead. That small change has worked for many users and might solve the issue for you too. And that's it. After following these steps, your Microsoft Store should be refreshed, working normally, and error-free.